Hey everybody, it's your girl Makeup Mommy featuring Tisha. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are back, you're a subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much for coming. Today I have another booty workout for you guys. Today I'm going to incorporate a couple of new exercises and I'm also going to throw a little bit of arms and shoulders in there for you guys as well. So if you are interested, go ahead and keep watching. Please, please, please do not forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button for your girl. And we'll go ahead and get started, you guys.